today I'll be showing you how to draw a happy girl with a cap. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. So first we're just going to start with a rough outline. So first we should draw a 3.8 centimeter line vertically at an angle. And then we should draw a 6.2 centimeter line by your left and a 5 centimeter line by your right, and this should be by a point from that is 8.5 centimeters going from down, and the whole line's length is 15.8 centimeters, so the whole line from top to bottom. We're going to just draw a curved line horizontally by our left and right, and then two curved lines going vertically by your left and right. So that's the skirt. So just make it the correct shape. Now we're just going to be drawing our sleeve by our left and right. So two curved lines going vertically and then two small horizontal lines. That's the sleeves of the t-shirt. Now we should draw one curved line going vertically. That's also the t-shirt. Now we're just going to work with the top part. We're just going to draw a curve like semicircle kind of shape. That will be the cap that the girl's wearing. And then one slightly curved line going horizontally and two lines going side. And yeah, that's the cap. And now we're just drawing the face. So this is a rough sketch. We can fix it later if it's too small or too big. And now we're just drawing the bangs, the hair. Just draw like spikes. And now we're drawing the hair by our left side. It's just one curved line going vertically. And remember, we're just doing the hair curve so it looks more realistic. Straight hair doesn't look as realistic. Remember, the hair is your world. You can draw anything. You just you can make it look curly, and yeah, it's your imagination for the hair. Don't make it too dark. This is just a rough outline. Now we're just going to draw the other side. Make sure it's wavy or curly. That's the neck. One curved line going vertically. And then we're just going to draw one curved line going horizontally. So that's the collar. And now we're just going to draw the sleeves. And now the arms. Don't make the elbows or anything too pointy. Just make a nice curved line. We're going to draw the hands later. So now let's do the right arm by our right side. Make it the same width as the other arm. If it doesn't look right, you can just erase it and yeah, fix it to be the right shape or something. Now just draw some waves by the hair by the right side. Now we're just going to move on with the details of the skirt. So like just make a nice design. One curved line horizontally. So just draw the belt hoops and everything. The pockets, we can do the filling in later. Now we're just going to draw some folds. Yeah, like that. So folds of the t-shirt, make sure you're doing light strokes. And when you're shading, tilt your pencil sideways so it's a better effect. Now, if you think the face is too tiny or too small, you can just fix the shape. Now just make the outline of the hair a bit darker. Make sure you're just pressing a bit hard. The outline makes it stand out. Now we're just gonna outline the rough lines we drew earlier. Now we're just gonna outline the bangs and the cap. Now we're going to just draw the fingers. So that's the thumb. And then that's the pinky and the ring finger. Don't make them too small. They should be the appropriate size for the shape of the hands. So yeah, this is very simple. Now we're just going to move to the other hand. Make it the right shape. If it doesn't look right, can outline it. So 2 curved lines. Now we're just going to draw a bracelet. Or a bangle. Just make it nice and dark. And now another bangle bracelet for the other hand. Just make the outline of the face. The shape should be right. Just erase if there's some shading there or something. Now we're just going to draw the eyes. And now the eyebrows. Now we're just going to draw a rough sketch of the nose. And guys, if it doesn't look right, you can fix it later. You're just going to draw a curved line and then start with the lips. So now we're just going to fill in the space. Just going to do the shading of the hair. Make sure you're doing this with very, very thin strokes. Now we're just going to take a tissue to blend. A tissue, or you can use a cotton bud. So you can do the rest of the shading. If the outline has gone light, you can just make it a bit darker. Now we're just going to do the other side of the hair. Just make the outline of the arms and hands a bit darker. Can make the fingers a bit darker too. The outline of the hair. We are just adding in the details and everything. So yeah guys, we're just going to add the details and everything of the skirt. Make the folds darker. Fill in the space we have in the pockets. And just shade and just blend more with some tissue paper, cotton bud. Make the outlines darker if you have to. Now we're just going to make the folds of the shirt a bit darker and then just blend with the tissue. Okay, make the face outline a bit darker. If it doesn't look right, just erase and can make the shape better. If something doesn't look right, you can just erase and draw it again. Just make the outline darker and do the shading of the hat, cap, and then you can blend with a cotton bud or a tissue. So you can just make outlines and everything darker. So yeah guys, this is the basic drawing of the little girl with a cap. So if you haven't checked out my other videos, we'll link it down in the description box below. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, bye.